Here's an interesting and deceptive way to wrap a present. So you've got this in paper or in a box or whatever, and they open it and they're like, oh, yay, it's Princess Diaries 2 on VHS. And then they feel it, and it's noticeably heavy. I mean, yeah, it's 530 grams there. Compare that to actually just a standard VHS thing, which is 272 grams. So then they naturally open up, expecting to find a tape. But guess what? It's not. First off, hard drives fit really well into VHS cases. There's some dead space here that we had to fill with a little extra fluff. That's not part of the present, although it could be. But then, if you remove the top of this hard drive, you can have the actual present. You know, you could actually put like gift cards in here or other objects or staples. You know, just all kinds of fun presenty things. And then also you can hide stuff behind it too, like the Enter for a Chance to Win library. So how do you go about doing this? Well, let's pop that bad boy out, reuse it for your own nefarious deeds. Grab yourself a hard drive and hollow it out with normal methods. Place your whatever object inside of there. Put the top back on. Maybe you can seal it with the Torx screw so they can't open it themselves. And go ahead and throw in some little thing. I actually used the motor from a different hard drive, just wrapped up in paper towel. But you could use just even thick lumps of paper towel or any other spacer type thing you find around there, and you're all set. And it passes the rattle test. And that's pretty convincing what a VHS normally sounds like, so I think you're good. Thanks, see ya.